So, I'm just getting the projects na, alam mo yun, personally nire-request sa akin nila boss. And itong project na to, ito na ulit yung pinagsamahan namin ni Bea after 13 or 14 years. So, tagal na since nung last project namin.
Namiss mo ba yung umarte ulit?
Medyo. At yung pa rin naman yung first love ko, it has always been my passion to act and to portray roles na, alam mo yung makaka-relate yung mga tao.
Kasi baka niya kakalam ano nang ginagawa mo daw ngayon kasi meron kang upload kagabi ata, parang nasa Viva Foods ka na.
Yes,
konting kwento.
I'm part of Viva Foods, so mas sa komisaryo ko, R&D, for new products for Paper Moon, for Wings on, anything na dessert for Viva Foods. Yun yung doon ako nakafocus ngayon.
Paano yung magde-develop na ng bagong menu?
Parang addition. Siyempre, lahat ng franchise nila, meron silang mga principles. So anything na, alam mo yun, we can produce